Hello everyone, let's solve this question together. Be careful, given that 2x plus 6 equals to 14, we are asked to find x factorial. What is x factorial? Every day we are talking about x factorial, and every day most people are filling this simple question. Now this is what you do when I ask you to solve for x factorial, or they are asked to find x factorial. What you have to do is to determine the value of x first. I hope I'm not rushing, but most people complain I'm too rush. Please, if I'm rushing, drop in the comment section, let me know. Let me reduce my speed. But if I'm not rushing, say fire on, so I will know that I'm not rushing. Okay, but let me be very clear with it. Okay, now given that 2x plus 6 equals to 14, we are asked to find x factorial. So before you can know x factorial, you have to determine what is this x, and for us to know this x, we have to divide through by 2 first. That is our first step, to break it down to the lowest term. This cancel out this, so you see that x plus what 3 is equals to what 7, because 6 divided by 2 will give us 3, and 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. And for us to have x, just subtract 3 from both sides. So that means s will be equals to 7 minus what 3. Because here we possesses 3. When this 3 crosses the corrective sign, change to minus 3. So we have that our s is equals to what 4. This is the value of x. And this is where most of you are stopping. That this is your value of x. It's 100% sure. But you are not answering the question that we are asked. We are asked to find x factorial. But you are saying that you are just finding only x. Take note that the difference between this and this. This simply means x factorial. This is equation mark, okay? And this is exclamation mark. So in mathematics, exclamation mark is not the same thing you are seeing in English language. Exclamation mark simply means factorial in mathematics. So as I'm so surprising seeing some people solving that s is equals to 2 and s equals to 3, and then put something like this, that is their answer. Please, this is not 3. This is what? 6. Because 3 factorial simply means 3 times 2 times 4, which is 6. So whenever you are solving mathematics, you have to be very careful. Be very careful of the sign you are using. Okay, sign changes anything, changes everything in mathematics. So since our x here is 4, what are we going to do so that we can find x factorial? What is x factorial? Simply means that in place of your x, just put 4. So what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial simply means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Because I said earlier that factorial simply means the product of positive integers from that particular number to the lowest what number. Is it not interesting? So let's see. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 times 1 is still what? 24. So it means that our 4 factorial is equals to what? 24. And this is a beautiful solution to this particular question. Please, if you know you really find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do it to like, comment, and share with other people to do that, so that they can also benefit from this what videos or from this class. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.